morning, guys. It's 7 in the morning and we are up already. We had a decent night's sleep. I won't say we slept peacefully, but it was nice. I mean, I anyway don't get to sleep much because I'm an insomniac, but I slept okay. Rohit has gone to take baths and stuff, and once he comes out, I'll go. The plan is to have breakfast at 8 in the morning, and then by 8:30 leave for Lamayuru, which is about 120 kilometers from Leh city. Go there, visit the monastery, take some pictures of the landscape, of the people, basically of the life in and around Leh, and that is the plan for the day. So we are for breakfast. It's 8 in the morning. So day 2, up for breakfast. We are not going out, at least not today. And there's the view, as beautiful as ever. So we've got all assortment of items here to eat. Eat as much as you like. So I'm having chicken sausages, garlic bread, and vegetable cutlets, and I'm having a little bit of vanilla shake while he is having his lychee juice. It doesn't seem much of a lychee juice, but that is where it is. Okay, so our friend Rixin is here to pick us up and go towards Lamayuru. It's a cold morning, -9, and this is how the hotel premise looks right now. So I have to stop like at every corner. It is so beautiful, man. I literally have to stop at every corner because the views are absolutely amazing. The colors, the open landscapes, beautiful Himalayas. It is terrific.
ये जो एंडोस है वो है संस्कार रिवर्स, ठीक है जी। ये दोनों मिलके एंडोस हो जाता है। आगे जो है यहाँ से 10 किलोमीटर आगे जाने के बाद जो है ना, वहाँ पे वो होता है राफ्टिंग। 10 किलोमीटर के भी होता है और 22 किलोमीटर के भी होता है। वो सीजन में होता है।
सीजन में होता है।
हाँ, सीजन में यहाँ पे राफ्टिंग वगैरह होता है। बाकी जो है यहाँ राफ्टिंग पॉइंट है, यहाँ जो ये घर बना रखा है तो उसके सामने ही खत्म हो जाता है, ठीक है जी। यहाँ से जो है एंडोस आता है, वहाँ से संस्कार रिवर्स, दोनों मिलने के बाद आगे इंडोज हो जाता है। आजकल इसके अंदर जो सीधे जा रहा है वो नदी के अंदर चादर टेक के लिए जाता है, ठीक है।
अच्छा, यहाँ से
वो चादर टेक के लिए बहुत सारे लोग जाता है। कुछ मर भी जाता है, कुछ जिंदा भी आता है।
मर भी जाता है।
हाँ, तो मरेंगे ना, तो मरने के लिए तो आया है। तो कुछ ऐसा ही होता है।
He's a funny chap, he's a funny chap, such a funny chap. Rixin, तुम बहुत funny हो, तुमको पता है। So we've just stopped for tea. We are at village Nimbu, -10. The car is, of course, not switched off because you never know, it might just not start. So we are here to have tea. Here I've made a new friend, Himalayan dog. I don't know his name though, but he seems pretty friendly. Hi baby, how are you? What's happening?
There's another one. He's all cuddly. He's all loving. He's seeing his own picture probably.
अच्छा चलता हूँ मेरे दुआओं में याद रखना
Rixin is all happy.
अच्छा चलता हूँ मेरे राहों में याद रखना
This is Rixin's vehicle with his name written on the registration plate. I'll leave his number on the description of my YouTube video and channel and everywhere else wherever I can. Probably you can contact him if you are coming during this time. This is of course, like I told you, the village of Nimmu. Nimmu, Nimmu.
अच्छा चलता हूँ लंगूरों में याद रखना मेरे बाहों
So we are finally again moving towards Lamayuru. Hi guys, so we have stopped here somewhere in between Leh and Lamayuru, and Rohit is going crazy seeing all the amount of snow. It is really heavy snow. Amazing. And Rohit just, for your reference, Rohit just checked his watch. And Rohit, tell my viewers what sort of temperature is it?
bloody 13
Minus 13, yes guys, minus 13. Yes, I know I am just wearing a sweater, but I really wanted to feel the chill. And minus 13 is something that I've never been in the middle of. See Rohit going mad there. Wow. So see the amount of snow. I'll just give you a 360 of the entire place. That is our area. And area is not yet shut down. And what a beautiful scene. Somewhere in between Leh and Lamayuru. Minus 13. Full of snow. And thank God for my boots. And it is absolutely amazing. So guys, we have just discovered something terrific, and this is what we've discovered. A literally frozen waterfall. It's about minus 15 now, and my legs are slipping on all the black ice because this is the main road, completely filled with black ice. But our car is doing good because it's a four-wheel drive car. But this is the star of the show. A literal frozen waterfall. I'll just try and go close to it a little bit. I just hope it doesn't break. You can actually hear the water droplets inside. There you go. Isn't this like probably the most beautiful thing ever? We have literal water here which is frozen, completely frozen, as you can see. And this is absolutely terrific. Rohit, we are slipping, so be careful. There you go. I'll just give you a wide view of the scene. There you go. Terrific, man. And I'm still holding on to the water, whatever you might want to call it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We have the river flowing by the side as well. So all is well. Minus 15 on our way to Lamayuru from Leh city. Let's move on, guys. So we've just reached Lamayuru. It's full of snow. The temperature is pretty low. We don't see anybody around. We're trying to find our way in. When I had come last during the summers, it was absolutely filled with tourists. Jule. So Rohit is trying to find his way somewhere. Such a beautiful, beautiful place. A few locals just turning the prayer wheel. So these prayer wheels are very auspicious for us all, and that is why we decided to turn these. Okay, so I'll just give you a panorama of the Lama Yuru Monastery complex. There's Rohit, there's our car, and the monastery is there. Beautiful. It is so quiet, so peaceful. Nobody here except us. I'll just give you a view of the town of Lama Yuru and how it looks right now in February 2017. This is the small village of Lama Yuru. February 2017, nobody around. We are the only ones here. It is so quiet, so peaceful. A couple of local lights around, that's about it.
वहाँ पे जाके मैं क्या कहूँ?
आपकी आवाज अच्छी है,
आवाज?
थोड़ा लय में कमी है।
क्या कम है?
लय सुर में कमी है।
सुर में तो कमी होंगे ना, मैं प्रैक्टिस करते रहूँगा तो बहुत अच्छे गाऊंगा।
सुर में गाओ, सुर में गाओ।
अभी अलविदा ना कहना,
देखा ये अच्छा सुर पकड़ा है
अलविदा ना कहना, ऐसा गाना सुनूंगा मैं।
Okay, Rixing. Bye bye.
बाय बाय।
Bye, Rixing. Thank you.
फिर मिलेंगे हाँ।
Absolutely. Bye bye. Thank you. Yeah.